Komshiban tabanya snok ti langwat kari haga jing Rakhe ka World Post Day ka balaji Rakhe haga khandai tarik urisau ka India Post kala Rakhe ka National Postal Week arja arpuar daga jing temu ban pen sapreng jing tip ha ka bai day ka ying dak syaki pat ba halo ka senyang ka bagilan no na ka bentaban kentiu ya kari haga juk pol Rakhe ru ya ka National Postal Week ka India Post bat ka North East Circle nadu ka khandai tarik urisau ka ban pen kot pat haga khatsau tarik urisau arja arpuar pat haga ning jing Rakhe lakan thop ya ka World Post Day Vitya Shakti-karan Diwas, Antiyodaya Diwas, but
Before I brief you on the World Post Day, it is my duty to brief you about the very structure of the Northeastern Postal Circle. Many of you would be aware that the circle consists of 6 states, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Agartala and Arunachal Pradesh. So in terms of our both breadth as well as depth of postal operations, we are quite diverse, and therefore when we organize celebrations like this, it takes place in each of the districts, in each of the subdivisions, where also we are very highly IT integrated and we are in a position to provide the facilities through our IT network. So today, as we sit here, as I brief you, in our various subdivisions, in our various districts, the melas of financial empowerments are taking place. Tomorrow would be our Philately Day. The Philately, as you know, is a very old hobby, and it is still a very powerful medium, not only to convey various interest of tourism or social activities or economic activities. So tomorrow would be our Philately Day, where we try to promote philately through opening deposit account, by organizing quizzes, by going to different schools. The day after that, we'll be having the mail and the parcel day, where we would be focusing on our customers. So it would be a twofold activity across the counters, as well as we'll have customers meet where our bulk customers will try to address their concern. And we will end it with the Antodaya scheme or Antodaya Day, where we would like to focus on the marginalized section of the society and how the post is a medium of their social upliftment and economic development. So this is what has been planned for this week. We will have one gentleman from our office whose number we would share. So at the end of today's brief we have given you, but we would still share tomorrow what has been the result of today's activities. Similarly, day after tomorrow we will share with you what has been the result of yesterday's activities. So it will continue in that fashion. And we will end it on a Friday, where we will consolidate all that we have done during the week in different divisions, in different states, in different subdivisions, in different post offices, and how we have utilized the post as a vehicle for financial empowerment and social transformation. Thank you very much.